It's Tuesday morning. We are on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. I'm with Mark Otto, Managing Director at J. Streicher and Company. Mark, thank you so much for being with us.
Thanks for having me back.
So Mark, the market keep going up. Yesterday we have reached level that we haven't seen in weeks for the S&P 500, the reaction to the fact that summers is out.
Absolutely. I mean, sometimes September can be difficult time of the year. That's not the case now. So it seems like the diplomatic solutions have been reached as far as Syria is concerned. So oil's eased, the market sort of rallied off that, and now the big dance is going to be Wednesday.
Yeah, we'll talk about the Federal Reserve in a little bit, but as I was saying, summers is out, and of course we are talking about the next chairman of the Federal Reserve. It's been a big deal yesterday, and we saw the reaction for the market because the main candidate, the candidate that the White House was pushing, and we also had rumors actually last week that it was going to be nominated very soon, is disappearing from from the list of the possible next Federal Reserve chairman. So everybody now is speculating about Janet Yellen. What do you think is going to happen? Why the market is celebrating so much?
It's sort of a strange phenomenon because Larry Summers, there were rumors that were speculating that Friday it looked like it was going to be him. And the market actually rallied off that. So then coming in Monday, he pulls out and the market rallies off of that. So I think a lot of people have question marks. However, I think some of the reports have indicated that Democrats have sort of warned that it would be an uphill battle to actually get him nominated. So maybe this is less resistant. The other fact of the matter is the fact that Summers was actually a hawk. So I think people are hoping for a more dovish solution going forward. Obviously, Janet Yellen looks like the forerunner out in front. However, a lot of reports are indicating that the decision might be made in the next couple of weeks, even at the end of this month. So I'm sure more candidates are actually going to be put into the mix in the next couple of days. Everyone's going to keep an eye out for that for sure.
It will make it definitely even more interesting. Now, let's talk about tomorrow, the big day. The market has been waiting for a long time. And the economies now seems, although they seem sure that the Federal Reserve will start tapering this month, probably it's going to be just a little bit less, of bond bought every month. What do you think is going to happen?
Well, I think a lot of people anticipate that it is going to be eased into, from 85 billion, in the past couple of weeks, people were rejecting perhaps 10 or 15 billion will be cut off the table to start the unwind. I think now there's more talk that it might be smaller, perhaps 5 to 10 billion. The market's forward looking. Right now, we continue to rally. We're up in near all-time highs. So I think
that means that the market can take it. I mean, the market is already discounting it.
Absolutely. It seems to be the case. I think that if we do get perhaps 15 billion or more taken off the table, we may have some sort of negative knee-jerk reaction. However, it does seem to be priced in at this point.
But the last economic data have confirmed that, yeah, we are recuperating, but it's still very, very slow.
Yeah, absolutely. I think the key with what people are going to look for tomorrow, obviously how aggressive they're going to start. They're going to look for the timeline as well. They want to know when it's going to actually end. So a lot of analysts can actually start projecting the pace of how it's going to go going forward. However, it does seem like the market has, all this talk about it has been going on forever. So it's really tempered traders' expectations, and it's sort of like been numbed into the market. It's sort of been built in. So we'll have to see.
So now let's talk about some levels. I was just saying that yesterday we reached multi-weeks highs. Which are the levels for the S&P 500 that you are really monitoring right now?
So we keep teetering back and forth. 1699 is actually a level right here, and then 1706 and 1715 resistance on the upside. From 1699 going down, it goes down to 1693 and then 1688.
Can you believe that we are still reaching multi-weeks highs?
It's incredible, but I'm happy for my 401k, that's for sure.
Absolutely. Thank you very much, Mark, for being with us.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching.